Assalamu alaikum ji, this is Ehsan Sheikh. I welcome you all to another episode of Facebook Live Sessions. I hope you all must be fine. You all are doing well. And today I am here with another very amazing kind of a personality. His introduction is quite versatile, I would say. Why? वो आपको खुद पता लग जाएगा when I am going to speak with him. He has been in advertising and marketing of restaurants in Karachi and Dubai for a long time, and then he was definitely inclined towards art and this all stuff. So he worked with in theaters too, and he worked with a lot of good actors and actresses who have played a very vital role in media industry, including him. So he worked with Rahat Kazmi Saab. It's a huge name. I'm sure ki you all are aware of Rahat Saab, and if you're not aware, you should watch that drama that is called Dhoop Kinare. That was the most famous drama and most seen drama, I must say. And then we later on saw Faris in the movie Chale The Saath in 2017, and then it was another movie in 2018, and that was Cake. And I must say, I love that movie. It was so amazing,
Thank
and
you.
his acting was also good, and I thoroughly enjoyed the story too, because it was a very fine kind of a very बड़ी एक आम सी कहानी थी, लेकिन उसको बहुत अच्छे तरीके से the depiction of the movie was quite amazing.
बिल्कुल बिल्कुल या
लेटर ऑन आप लोगों ने उन्हें जो है वो डिफरेंट एडवर्टाइजमेंट्स में भी देखा है, आपने उनको रेडियो करते हुए भी देखा है. And at the same time, he is an educationist, and
well
yes, he is a fitness trainer too. So he is an amalgamation of different things. That is why I
yeah.
said versatility is found here. Faris, thank you so much for being with us. It's really an honor.
Thank you so much, Asan. Very happy to be here. Thank you for reaching out to me and asking me to be on your live cast.
Right. Faris, everyone wants to be appreciated. Everyone wants
Yeah,
to be known. Everyone wants to have good comments. Everyone wants to have good compliments. Even
right,
I want to have this kind of a feeling कि भाई मुझे कोई देखकर बोले यार आप तो बड़े smart लग रहे हैं, आप तो बड़े fit
right.
लग रहे हैं, आप तो बड़े handsome लग रहे हैं. So everybody loves that. But on the ground reality, if we go into the ground root, then we get to know that you have that kind of a Coke glass and you have a huge burger out of which that mayonnaise is dripping off, and then you have a
Right,
glass of water, or you
right,
you can't say the glass of water, you have that kind of a chocolate that is topping off the whole glass, and then you're having it, and then you're
right,
putting up the status on Facebook and you're saying my diet. So
right.
this side of whole situation, which
Hmm.
is ruining our health on
Uh,
serious note. And second
hmm.
thing कि फिटनेस कितनी जरूरी है, एक फिटनेस ट्रेनर मेरे ख्याल है बहुत अच्छी तरीके से बता सकता है, एंड यू आर अ सर्टिफाइड ट्रेनर.
Yeah.
फारिस, हाउ डू यू सी दिस होल सिचुएशन, कैसे देखते हैं ये सब कुछ?
Well, it's a very complicated question
या.
क्योंकि इसमें मुख्तलिफ facets हैं. सबसे पहले see my experience now has been I've been working out for a number of years. ठीक है, I started off when I was I think in my late teens, early 20s, but I became regular, and now I turned 41 this year. So what I've learned is you have to really embrace a different lifestyle. You have to decide. Let's take a career for example. If you decide that this is what I want to do, मुझे advertising में काम करना है, मुझे banking में काम करना है, मुझे doctor बनना है, जो भी है, right? You dedicate the number of hours in a day to that. आप कहोगे कि यार मुझे सुबह उठना है, मुझे एक माइंड फ्रेम में जाना है और मैं अपने लाइफस्टाइल चॉइसेस इस तरह के बनाऊंगा या बनाऊंगी ताकि मैं अपने इस गोल को मैं हासिल कर सकता हूँ या कर
बिल्कुल.
सकती हूँ. It's the same thing with fitness, right? You choose to make that lifestyle. So for some people like myself, it's easier because I don't really like to socialize that much. So if friends say let's go out, I'm like no, I have to go to the gym. If they're like let's eat, I'm like I will eat according to what I need to be eating.
Mhm.
um, so you really have to make a commitment, and wo
Right.
commitment I think you have to do at a much earlier stage.
Mhm.
With time it becomes a lot harder. When you hit 30 it becomes harder because a lot of people are married with children. When they hit 40 then they feel their bodies are slowing down when they hit 50, but that doesn't
Yeah.
mean it's not possible.
Mhm.
लेकिन अगर आपने अपना mind make up किया हुआ है,
Mhm.
you just then decide to reprioritize your life. In
Right.
terms of diet, देखें, बर्गर खाना को बुरी बात नहीं है, ना ही फ्राइज
Yeah.
खाना. If you have basically अगर आपने अपना overall diet और lifestyle इस तरह maintain किया हुआ, you're allowed to eat that once in a
Mhm.
while,
Mhm.
depending on your goals.
Mhm.
So I wouldn't say burgers and pizzas are bad. Yes, sugar is bad. Processed sugar is terrible. So drinking aerated drinks, eating dessert, that is dangerous.
Right. Acha,
But
I didn't ask you this question in the beginning. I should have
yeah,
asked you this question, and I'm
yeah,
asking you now.
sure.
How come that you got inclined towards this, being a fitness trainer?
Well,
So because
like
you were in
sorry.
acting and you
Yeah.
still are in acting and you're doing this all the
Well,
stuff. So how come you came up with this?
नहीं देखें, I've never acted full time. ठीक है, मैंने
Yeah,
शौकिया किया हुआ है, and alhamdulillah I've been very lucky when I've gotten some work,
yeah,
and I do it for the experience. Okay, you know, at the age of 80 I can say that all right, मैंने फिल्म में भी काम किया, and ये इस फिल्म इस तरह बनती है, ये तजुर्बा है.
sahi.
In terms of fitness, मेरा हमेशा शौक था. Like I said, I think I've been training now 20 years or so, and मेरा हमेशा शौक था. But when I moved back to Pakistan, I switched careers, okay, in 2013.
Yeah,
And that's when I got into personal development. So I was using theater for skill development with students and adults. And
right,
I think my interest is rooted in that. And I look at personal training as that. It's personal development.
right.
अगर आप किसी personal trainer को on board लेते हो, that person is developing you physically and mentally.
Mm-hmm.
And I think I've always been inclined to that. So I thought, okay, it's about time I got certified. So last year I got certified. I did this online course, and
Right,
plus my experience. So
right,
I enjoy when, the one-on-one interaction with a client, to help them be better than what they are.
right, right.
I enjoy the journey where they discover that this is what my mind and body are both capable of doing.
Mm-hmm.
I like
Right.
that.
Right. Acha, tell me one thing ke, this question really revolves around the head, and this is what is something buzzing into many heads कि हमारे यहाँ कहते हैं ना वो बचपन में mother says कि जी वो you cannot exercise right now, your height really is not
Yeah.
up to the mark.
Yes.
So these kind of, we have those kind of mystical
बिल्कुल
things too.
बिल्कुल
So
बिल्कुल
what would you
बिल्कुल.
like to say about it? I think
Yeah.
students should go out, kids should
Yeah.
go out, everybody should do exercise, what I
Yeah.
believe. This is,
Yeah. No,
you
no,
will
no.
correct me, you will rectify
नहीं
me
नहीं
if
नहीं,
I'm
this is
wrong.
this
Yeah.
is this is this is a great question. बल्कि I'd made notes
Yeah.
before this session,
Please
and this is
enlighten.
one
Yeah,
of the things. Yeah,
yeah.
they can. Now the problem with our countries, क्योंकि fitness is a field that we haven't developed. It's a very new career. ठीक है, और कुछ चंद लोग जो है fitness trainers बने हुए, and a lot of them are not certified or educated in the area of fitness. So
सही.
because of that, there is overall a lack of knowledge.
Mm.
Now, if you look at the West, like let's say Europe or the US, they've been doing it for years and cultivating it as part of their culture. So they know something like आप बच्चे से weight उठवा सकते हो. Lifting weight doesn't stunt your growth. There is no correlation. Like you
Right.
ask anyone who knows biology will tell you there is no correlation. अगर आपने भारी weight या कोई सा भी weight उठाए, उससे आपकी height रुक जाएगी. It
Right.
is an old wives' tale, and to support that, you see professional bodybuilders. You should see pictures of Arnold Schwarzenegger and Dorian Yates and all these people, Mike Menzer, when they were 16. They were huge when they were 16, which means they had been
Yeah.
lifting weights since they were at least 14, if not 12.
So all of the years I didn't exercise at that time, I should be regretting.
Yes, that is something I'm like, if I had started weight training seriously at the age of 16, I'd be in much better shape now. I'd be stronger now, I'd be bigger now. But khair, these are things we learn. This is the experience that then a personal trainer can share with people. So to answer your question, this is false. You're right. Children should be going, like teenagers should be going to the gym, girls and boys.
Right.
Lift
Right.
weights, exercise, play sports, get stronger, because at that age you can get stronger, not when you're 50.
Yeah,
50,
yeah.
it gets a lot harder.
Right. So Faris, how true is it that when you hang onto
Yeah.
something, so your
Yeah.
height gets increased? I'm sorry, I'm getting into those questions, but
that's
this is
about
the
that,
yeah,
that
this is
that's
the
that,
question of every mother, I think. Yeah.
yeah,
So
that is
is
about
it true?
as no, that is as stupid as it sounds.
All
it
right.
is it is as, I mean, mothers also say अगर आपने weight सर, and my mother used to say this, अगर आपने weight सर से ऊपर उठाया तो आपकी height रुक जाएगी. अगर आप, if you hang, you'll
Yeah.
grow. Look, a lot of people have to realize their genes determine a lot of things.
Yeah.
If your parents are a certain height, you will be a certain height. You cannot change that, right? So you can't say, bhai, my father is 5'2" and my mother is 5 feet, but if I hang from here all day, मैं 6 foot का हो जाऊंगा. It's not possible.
Right.
Biology doesn't work that way.
Right.
So it works. So these are some things that people don't realize.
So, Faris,
Okay.
tell me one thing, how difficult it is for you to train people. Why am I asking you this question? Because I have noted this thing. Not noted, I just saw one of your video
Yeah.
where you showed that character, poor
Yeah.
Akmal. So it was a very
Yeah.
funny video when I watched
Right.
that, na? And I would tell people if you haven't watched it, you must go and you must watch this video. It
Right.
is very funny. The guy
Right.
is there, the rich guy, and then he gets into the gym. So sir,
That's
do that,
based
and
on
he
a
says,
true
"Oh, Akmal
that's
will do that. Don't worry."
that's
He was
that's
like
based
this.
on a true person, by the way.
All right. So
That's
tell us
ba-
something about your experience. Have you had that kind of experience, and
no,
and
I
what would you
haven't.
say to those people who do like this? Who do that kind of stuff?
Yeah, यार देखें, I haven't had an experience like that, but my friend in the video, Naved Hussain, who's a
Yeah.
personal trainer as well,
Right.
he has had experiences like that, and he's observed people like that. What do I say about that? देखें, this is something that's prevalent in our culture in Pakistan. We like to be the Seth, we like to be, the Lord who gets all the chotas to do stuff, and because of that we tend to be very lazy. So even if you look at our population, people at the age of 50 and 60, they're overweight, they're not active, is because they're used to Sharfu getting them stuff, Chota doing this for them, Masi do this, instead of doing stuff on your own. If you look at the Europeans and Americans, they're used to doing things on their apni chai banayenge, apna khana banayenge. Yes, you can get, like, I get someone to come and clean my where I live, but that doesn't mean you can't be physically active. So culturally we're not a physically active country, we're not,
Right.
unfortunately हमारे culture में नहीं है.
Right.
So these are the kind of people who are spoiled, spoiled brats, जो बिगड़े हुए बच्चे होते हैं, they grow up to be the lazy ones who like, यार कोई और हमारा काम कर लेगा. So it trickles down into even your fitness and your health with time.
So what would you say? How would you recommend to the people out there who are listening to you right now, who really want to improve their health, who really want
Yeah.
to, be fit? So what should be, how their day should be starting, Faris? If I ask you this question,
Well,
if I ask
I
your
mean,
experience, what would you
yeah.
like to share your day? How your typical day is
Well,
when it comes to exercise? Yeah.
Well, see, more than anything, you wake up in the morning realizing that at some point in the day you are going to the gym.
Yeah.
You make up your mind that I have this 1 hour or 2 hours that I'm going to go, and you have to make up your mind that this is my schedule. And then based on that, that will determine कि अच्छा नाश्ते में मैं पराठा अंडा नहीं खाऊंगा. I'd rather eat just the andas and maybe some dalia, because I know these things will help me perform better when I'm working out. And it
Right.
could be any kind of working out. You could be doing CrossFit or aerobics or bodybuilding or whatever it is that you want to do.
Right.
And even then, how you pace your meals. आप कहोगे अच्छा ठीक है 3 घंटे बाद मैं कुछ और खाऊंगा, चावल और चिकन या कीमा, फिर उसके बाद मैं फल खाऊंगा या खाऊंगी, whatever. I mean, you'll make up your mind. That's why I said at the beginning, it's a lifestyle choice. आप ये ना कहोगे यार कि अब मुझे भूख लगी है, चलो बर्गर और फ्राइज खा लेते हैं. Why would you do that? I mean, do it, but don't do it if you know it'll make you lethargic before your workout.
Right.
So you really have to plan out कि अच्छा ठीक है मैं 3 रोटी नहीं खाऊंगा, because I know that will make me. So what I want to tell people is, when you start this journey, it's a very mindful journey. You have to start making notes about everything you do.
Hmm.
You have to make notes about your sleep patterns.
Hmm.
You have to make notes about when you work out. You have to make notes of your mood the whole day. You have to
Yeah.
make notes of your diet, everything. And that's how you change your entire lifestyle
Right.
to suit this one need.
Achha, one thing that I want to mention here, you talked about the lifestyle, na? You said
जी
lifestyle
जी
is very important. I personally would like to tell one thing here कि मेरा एक दोस्त है और कुछ लोग हमारे यहाँ ऐसे होते हैं ना कि ये जो डाइटिंग वाला जो एक एरिया है फारिस, दैट हैज डिस्ट्रॉयड अस अ लॉट. मतलब
yeah
जो हम ये कहते हैं ना कि हमने डाइट करनी है तो पीपल आर नॉट ईटिंग एनीथिंग, दे आर टोटली गेटिंग स्टार्व्ड,
yeah
बट
it's
दे डोंट वांट
stupid.
टू ईट एनीथिंग. नहीं भाई मैं नहीं खा
Yeah,
सकता. व्हाई? स्पेशली व्हेन इट कम्स टू वुमेन, दे आर नॉट
yeah, yeah, yeah,
हैविंग. हमारे जो
yeah.
हाउस अगर आप बात करें तो उसके घरों के अंदर आपको ऐसी खबरें मिलेंगी, वो बोलेंगे नहीं हमने नहीं खाना है.
जी
या बहुत
जी
सारे ऐसे लोग मिलेंगे हु आर स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलोइंग दैट डाइट बट दे आर डिस्ट्रॉइंग देमसेल्व्स. मैं
yeah
इसको ऐसे कहूंगा.
yeah
वन ऑफ माय फ्रेंड्स, he said to me कि we were going somewhere, we were in the car and he said I don't want to have anything. तो मैंने कहा ठीक है, would you like to have juice? He said no. उसके अंदर शुगर होगी। मैंने कहा कुछ खाओगे? नो, आई वोंट हैव दैट। तो मैं उससे ये कह रहा था कि इतना स्ट्रिक्टली फॉलो कर रहे हो अगर
Hmm.
डाइट को आप, तो
Hmm.
एट द एंड ऑफ द डे यू विल बी एग्जॉस्टेड।
Yeah.
और यही एग्जैक्टली होता है सर कि 2 महीने
जी
के बाद आप हो जाते हैं एग्जॉस्टेड, एंड ही गॉट
जी
एग्जॉस्टेड एंड ही सेड टू मी,
या
बस यार हो गया, अब इतना बर्दाश्त नहीं कर सकता। तो
या
आपने जो बात की है ना कि लाइफ स्टाइल में जब आप उस चीज को अपने फॉलो कर लेते हैं,
जी
तो वो चीज जो होती है आसानी से आपके लिए हो जाती है, और फिर आप चीट भी कर सकते हैं उसमें, आप खा भी सकते हैं। ऐसा नहीं है कि आप
श्योर
नहीं खा रहे, अगर आप नहीं खाएंगे तो आप तो
बिल्कुल
अपने आप से ही थक जाएंगे।
बिल्कुल
सो
बिल्कुल
टोटली अप्रिशिएटेड
या
दैट।
एब्सोल्युटली दिस इज अगेन वही बात जो मैंने पहले की थी कि हमारे मुल्क में अनफॉर्चुनेटली ये नॉलेज नहीं है कि अगर आपने वेट लूज करनी है दैट डजंट मीन यू स्टार्व योरसेल्फ। अब
राइट।
एक और नया फैड चला है कीटो डाइट,
अच्छा।
जिसमें लोग कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स नहीं खा रहे, वो सिर्फ फैट एंड प्रोटीन खा रहे हैं, which is very unnatural because our body is designed to use carbohydrates for energy.
राइट।
Then there are some people that will go on a diet वो सिर्फ फल खाएंगे, you know, इस तरह की I would call them ignorant things because they haven't, and also keep in mind people want quick fixes in everything.
या
मैं जब कॉर्पोरेट वर्कशॉप्स भी करता हूँ, पीपल वांट कि अच्छा ठीक है को वर्कशॉप सही, लेकिन हमें टूल्स दें दैट विल मेक अस मोर इफेक्टिव एट वर्क। आई एम लाइक
या
देयर इज नो मैजिक। इवन विद वर्किंग आउट पीपल आर लाइक कैन आई लूज वेट इन 1 month? इट्स लाइक नो यू कांट लूज वेट इन 1 month, not if you do it the right way.
राइट।
So it's very slow and gradual, and
You're
if
talking
people
about
realize
1 month, Faris. I will tell you one thing, कि people what do here is that कि they go to gym,
yeah
they come back from there, they look in front of the mirror and they say हाँ
yeah
भाई मसल्स लग रहे हैं।
हाँ
तो
क्योंकि
वो एक
क्योंकि
खुद
वही है।
मसला या
I'll tell you why, because human psychology is nobody wants to realize कि the road we're on is a long road. लोग चाह रहे हैं कि जल्दी पहुंच जाए यार, जल्दी पैसा बने, जल्दी खुशी मिल जाए जिंदगी में, और सब कुछ जल्दी जल्दी हो जाए, and it doesn't work that way, you know. It's a long hard road and it gets harder with time, and बीच में hurdles भी आएंगे और मजीद,
राइट।
you know. But you have to be very very focused.
राइट।
You
इफ
have
आई
to be very
आस्क यू
focused.
दिस क्वेश्चन के कैन यू टेल अस 3 सच थिंग्स जो कि आपने हर हाल में अडॉप्ट करनी है अगर आप अपना वेट लूज करना चाहते हैं? फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ देयर इज सम पर्सन हु इज वाचिंग दिस शो एंड
Yeah.
ही वांट्स टू नो कि भाई मेरा वेट ज्यादा है, अभी आप अभी मुझे क्या फारिस साहब बताएंगे कि मैं 3 चीजें फौरन मैं फॉलो करनी शुरू कर दूं जिससे मेरा वेट जो है वो कुछ हद तक ही सही लेकिन नीचे आएगा?
Well, the first thing is healthy eating. कि आप अच्छी चीज़ें खा, अच्छी से मुराद फ्राइड चीज़ों से आप दूर रहें, चीनी से बिल्कुल ही आप दूर भागें, एंड दैट इज़ द बिगेस्ट प्रॉब्लम इन पाकिस्तान बिकॉज वी ड्रिंक अ लॉट ऑफ चाय, एंड लोग बगैर दूध के सॉरी बगैर चीनी के चाय नहीं पीते, एंड
अच्छा,
इट्स अ
चाय में
चीनी।
अगर चीनी डाल के मैं आपकी बात काट रहा हूँ
हाँ
कि चाय में अगर चीनी हम पी भी रहे हैं तो वो बहुत ज्यादा अफेक्ट करती है, क्योंकि
yeah
मैं
it's
पीता
one
हूँ अगर।
teaspoon
या
it's 1 teaspoon, right? So how many cups of tea do you drink in a day? 2, 3?
2 या
हाँ तो 2 teaspoon वही आ गए, and these are things your body doesn't need, you
या
know. The point is your body doesn't need this refined sugar. आप अगर आपको कुछ मीठा खाना है, आप गुड़ खा लो, फल खा लो,
अच्छा।
in small quantities, yeah small quantities, जो कुदरती चीजें हैं. Refined sugar is not good for you, plus if you put it in a cake or chocolate that has more fat and a lot of sugar, and if you drink it in a carbonated beverage, that is poison. Literally that is poison. We don't
राइट।
need to this whole thing कि यार खाने के बगैर वो उस ड्रिंक के बगैर खाना हजम नहीं होता. It's a lie. It's a
चॉकलेट शुड बी
lie.
अवॉइडेड टू, बिकॉज आई
Yes,
लव
look,
चॉकलेट्स।
so do it in small quantities. देखो,
राइट।
I eat burgers, pizzas, I eat chocolate, I eat dessert, but I
या
do it in small quantities throughout the week. ऐसा नहीं कि एक दिन मैं पूरा एक केक खोल के वही खा, या पूरा हफ्ता एक केक खाता रहूंगा, you know. That like there was a guy in my college, he wanted to gain mass, so वो रोजाना आधा किलो या एक पाव, I don't remember, जलेबी खा रहा था,
अच्छा।
and he didn't gain muscle, he gained fat. So to answer, coming back to your question, the first thing is a healthy diet. Second is a more active lifestyle.
राइट।
Active lifestyle से मुराद देखो आप एक्सरसाइज भी करो लेकिन आप घर में भी काम करो, because you have to keep your body active the whole time, body and
सही।
mind active, right? These are the two things. The third thing is obviously keep a goal in mind कि मेरा गोल क्या है, and then pick a workout plan that suits you. There are a lot of people that will join a boot camp, you know, कि हमारे इतने दिनों का चैलेंज है कि आप
जी जी।
आकर ये करो, and which is fine, there's nothing wrong with that,
समटाइम्स
but you
इट इज इफेक्टिव या।
sometimes it's effective, but you have to realize there are some workouts for advanced athletes, there are some workouts for people with different goals.
Hmm.
You know, you need to find a workout plan that suits you. So
Right.
it's important to also realize that you have to observe and see whether the exercise is working out for you or not.
Right.
Don't blindly follow. So my third piece of advice is don't blindly follow people कि किसी ने कहा है कि आपने बेंच प्रेस ही करना है तो आप बेंच प्रेस करते रहोगे, या अगर आपने the thing all guys do, they go into the gym and bicep curls, यही करने हैं,
And
टांगे ये
extra weight.
सूखी हैं.
Farid,
हाँ हाँ हाँ
taking
हाँ
extra
हाँ.
weight,
Yeah,
that's.
yeah, because they're like the idea is more weight,
Hmm.
the more you lift, the bigger you get. It's wrong.
Yeah.
It's not true. There are methods to it. पहले
Yeah.
आप अपने strength को build करो, फिर then you see that some guys जो अपने heavy weight उठाएंगे लेकिन झटका,
हाँ,
and फिर चीखना
ये तो
चिल्लाना
बहुत
कि
देखा है.
भाई
Yeah,
आप
yeah.
हाँ कि ये आप ना करें. I mean, you'll destroy your body. So there are ways to do it. There is a certain discipline involved in it.
Acha, if I ask you this question, that you told us about these are the three things that you need to follow if you want to lose weight. So if you want to
And
gain
stay in
weight,
shape. Yeah.
yeah,
It's
then
the
what
same thing. It's the
all
same
right.
thing. You apply the same thing. So if you want to gain weight, I'm assuming you're saying not gaining fat, gaining muscle,
Yeah, gaining
right?
muscles, like, yeah.
Right. So
कुछ लोग
that
बहुत
means,
thin होते हैं तो वो चाहते हैं
yeah.
थोड़े healthy
So
दिखें. Yeah.
so you eat the same clean things, but you eat them in larger quantity. So
Right.
if, for example, आप कह रहे हो कि मैं दिन में 2 अंडे खाता हूँ, and I eat a little bit of chicken. Now you start eating 4 to 5 to maybe 6 eggs a day. It's fine. You can
Right.
eat 6 eggs a day. I do that. You can eat more quantity of chicken. Increase your intake of rice and potatoes, carbohydrates as well.
Right.
And then increase the intensity of your workout.
Right.
That is another thing. People don't realize आपने workout को भी modify करना चाहिए. Periodically, you have to make it a little more challenging for yourself. And when
Right.
your body, देखो, any kind of physical activity is like anything in life. आप जब तक उसको test नहीं करोगे ना, it won't grow, it won't
Right.
change. So you have to keep testing your body.
Right.
So to answer your question, that is essentially it. You just eat the same clean food but in larger quantities. Do the
Right.
same exercise but with more intensity.
Right. अच्छा, एक बात और भी होती है बड़ी, ये एक मेरे ख्याल है ये कंफ्यूजन शायद मुझे होगी सिर्फ, बिकॉज आई हैव कम अक्रॉस दोज काइंड ऑफ पीपल हु हैव सेड लाइक दैट टू मी. देखें, एक तो कुछ कुछ लोग ऐसे हैं हु डू वर्कआउट फॉर मेकिंग मसल्स. वो चाहते हैं कि
Sure.
मास आए और ये सारी चीजें हों. अच्छा, आई एम द काइंड ऑफ अ पर्सन हु डज एक्सरसाइज टू बी फिट. मैं वॉक
Sure.
करता हूँ, आई वॉक, आई डू बॉक्सिंग जस्ट ओनली
Right.
इन ऑर्डर टू बी फिट,
That's fine.
ताकि पेट बाहर ना आए, थिंग्स
Sure.
शुड बी फाइन. तो लेकिन कुछ लोग ये कहते हैं कि उस चीज को बहुत ज्यादा तंकीद भी करते हैं, मतलब दे डू क्रिटिसिज्म ऑन mass building thing. वो कहते हैं कि
Yeah.
if you leave it, then what is
Yeah.
going to happen with your body is that you would be having just fat and that be hung up. तो
Yeah.
वो एक चीज जो होती है, आपके ख्याल में क्या जरूरी है? अच्छा, एक और बात मैं इसको जोड़ूंगा इससे.
जी.
मैंने ये भी देखा है कि एक आदमी जिसकी बहुत अच्छी बॉडी बनी है, who has a very good, he has really worked harder, और लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा लगता है कि जैसे he is looking fat, because we do not have that kind of lean body. तो आपको नहीं लगता कि अगर आप इवन वेट लिफ्टिंग भी अगर कोई कर रहा है तो उसको ये भी चाहिए कि वो थोड़ी सी रनिंग या इस तरीके की चीज भी रखे, ताकि उसको उसका जो एक बेली फैट है वो भी कम रहे, फिर मसल्स भी
Sure.
उसके अच्छे लगें.
Yeah,
क्या
of
कहेंगे इस पे?
course. Yeah, absolutely. बिल्कुल. देखिए, डिपेंड करता है. कुछ लोग जो है, अब जो लोग वेट उठाते हैं उनमें मुख्तलिफ कैटेगरीज भी होते हैं. एक तो बिल्कुल ही फिट और लीन लगने चाह रहे हैं, एक जो थोड़े बॉडी बिल्डर टाइप लगना चाह रहे हैं, एक जो होते हैं पावर लिफ्टर्स. पावर लिफ्टर जो है जिनके मतलब जो मस्कुलर हैं लेकिन मोटे भी हैं, बिकॉज दे वांट टू लिफ्ट मैक्सिमम अमाउंट ऑफ वेट.
अच्छा.
So the important thing to realize is it all boils down to your objective कि आपने करना क्या है. What is your goal? Why do you want to exercise? Is it to feel good? Is it to look good? Is it to compete and perform? Is it a combination of the three? So you have to be very clear, because at some point you join a gym and you're not meeting your objectives. You should be the one telling the coach or the instructor कि भाई, this is not working for me. I joined here to bulk up. Instead, I've gotten shredded, or the other way around, or I'm not fit. I can't run as much as I want to, or as far as I want to. And so you need to be constantly checking in. तो मैं एक और बात ऐड करूंगा, जो क्लाइंट्स होते हैं जो पर्सनल ट्रेनर के पास जाते हैं, वो अपना दिमाग स्विच ऑफ करते हैं.
सही.
वो कहते हैं कि आप हमें एक्सरसाइज बताएं, आप हमें वेट बताएं, आप हमें रेप्स बताएं, हमें नहीं पता. And
सही.
my suggestion to them is always keep, you have to learn from what I'm trying to teach you, or any personal
सही.
trainer is trying to teach you, because you should be applying your knowledge. It's like anyone who goes to a financial broker. आप ये तो
Yeah.
नहीं बोलेंगे कि ये लो मेरे 2 करोड़, आप कहीं पे भी लगाओ, मुझे बस रिटर्न चाहिए. कहाँ
सही.
लगा रहा है पैसे? What if it dips? You should know, because it's your responsibility. You know,
Right.
it's
Right.
your money as well.
Right. Acha, another important question is कि I am the kind of a person who eats biryani and
Yeah.
who eats dal too. Both of the things, I'm
Okay.
happy with both of the things. Okay, but
Sure.
definitely I won't mix it. But मैं खाता हूँ दोनों
Why
चीजें.
mix it? हाँ ठीक है.
Okay. So my question is कि but I will eat everything. I will eat everything, but I won't eat it at any given point of time.
Okay.
मतलब मैं आपसे ये पूछना चाह रहा हूँ कि टाइम मैनेजमेंट कितनी ज़रूरी होती है जब आप अपनी डाइट की बात करते हैं. मेरे ख्याल में टाइम का अगर ख्याल रखा जाए कि आपने कब क्या खाना है, उससे बहुत
Yeah.
सारे मसाइल हल हो सकते हैं. क्योंकि देखिए यहाँ तो ये मसला है कि अगर 12 बजे शादी से आए, 1 बजे तो
जी.
वहाँ खाना खुल गया, आपने तो खा लिया खाना.
Yeah.
ठीक है. इसी तरीके से अगर बिरयानी कहीं से किसी दोस्त ने आपको कोई ट्रीट दे दी, कुछ हो गया, या आप खा चुके हैं खाना, तो मैं
Yeah.
एटलीस्ट नहीं खाता हूँ. मतलब आई एम
बिल्कुल.
नॉट प्रेजिंग माई सेल्फ, बट आई एम जस्ट शेयरिंग समथिंग विद यू.
हाँ, नहीं,
तो
don't.
कितना जरूरी होता है सर कि आप टाइमिंग के हिसाब से जो है चलें अपने आप को. मतलब खाना आप खाएं, लेकिन अगर आप वक्त पे खाते हैं कोई चीज, कोई भी काम हम जब जब भी वक्त पे करते हैं, आई थिंक वो
जी.
आपको बेनिफिट देता है. क्या कहेंगे आप?
या बिल्कुल. सॉरी, एब्सोल्युटली. वही बात हो गई. इट बॉइल्स डाउन टू योर लाइफस्टाइल एंड योर टाइम टेबल फॉर द डे. इफ यू नो, फर्स्ट करो, इफ आई नो आई हैव टू गो टू द जिम एट 4 p.m.
जी.
I know I want to eat my lunch by 1. So I have at least 3 hours for it to digest. आप ये नहीं कहोगे यार कोई समोसे लेकर आए 3 बजे तो मैंने 2 समोसे भी खा लिए, अब जब मैं वर्कआउट करने जा रहा हूँ तो मुझे उल्टी आ रही है. You know,
जी.
that is being careless. So it requires a lot of willpower. And it's one of those things that you should tell people कि भाई this is my schedule. And लोग तंग भी आ जाते हैं, वो कह रहे हैं यार आप इतने regimented lifestyle, but you're like, but this is the lifestyle I want to live. I don't want to be eating biryani at 2 p.m. or 2 a.m. at a wedding because यार मजा आएगा. मुझे तो कोई
Right.
मजा नहीं आएगा because I know it'll mess up my health. Yeah, I can do it sometimes if let's say
Sometimes,
कभी
yeah.
कभार कर लिया, but that kabhi kabar is a very thin line. You know, you
Right.
have to know when the kabhi kabar stops. So
Right.
sometimes it's good to completely cut it out, but if you have discipline, then you can balance it and know exactly how well to keep it in check.
Right.
वरना
अच्छा,
बंदा बिल्कुल ही आउट हो जाता है, you know.
बिल्कुल ऐसा. अच्छा, what is if I ask you this question, sir, कि what is the role of a trainer
Yeah.
एज ए ट्रेनर? बिकॉज होता ये है कि हमारे यहाँ कुछ लोग ऐसे भी हैं, उनको बड़ी ट्रेनर से शिकायत होती है. वो कहते
Yeah.
हैं कि अच्छा, मैं अपना एक्सपीरियंस आपसे शेयर करूंगा बिकॉज
जी.
आई बीन आल्सो गोइंग टू जिम, बट नाउ आई डोंट गो एनी मोर बिकॉज ऑफ लेस टाइम. और फिर अब यही
Right.
होता है कि जितना मैनेज कर लेता हूँ उतना करने की कोशिश करता हूँ. बट आई हैड दिस एक्सपीरियंस कि आई वेंट टू सम जिम, और वो बहुत अच्छा था, वो बल्कि बहुत ही ज्यादा अच्छा था, तो मैं इसलिए गया था वहाँ पे. बट द ट्रेनर दैट आई हैड ओवर देयर, आई एम नॉट सेइंग दैट ही वाज हैविंग फुल नॉलेज, लेकिन मैं वहां से ये समझा कि आपको क्लाइंट को समझना या आपको अपने कस्टमर को समझना बहुत जरूरी होता है कि वो क्या चाह रहा
बिल्कुल.
है. अच्छा,
Yeah.
आई वाज वेरी न्यू टू दिस, सो आई
Right.
जस्ट केम ओवर देयर, आई जस्ट वेंट ओवर देयर एंड आई सेड कि मैं अपना वेट लूज करना चाहता हूँ. सो ही वाज लाइक, पता नहीं क्या हुआ कि ही मेड मी सो मच फ्रस्ट्रेटेड कि मुझे ऐसा लगा कि जैसे पता नहीं क्या हो गया. मैं ही सेड नहीं, आप ये नहीं, आप ऐसे करें, आप ऐसे करें. ही वाज राइट, बट मैं इस चीज को ऐसे ले रहा था कि जैसे बस आप ये बोल दें कि हाँ ये हो जाएगा. सर,
Right.
एज ए ट्रेनर आप कितना जरूरी समझते हैं कि आपकी जिम्मेदारी होती है एक बंदे की आप पे, अगर आप पे कोई ट्रस्ट कर रहा है और आपको ये कह रहा है कि यार ये मेरे ट्रेनर होंगे और मैं इनसे ये इंस्ट्रक्शंस लूंगा. एट द सेम टाइम आपकी वही वाली बात आ जाती है कि आपको खुद
जी.
भी नॉलेज हो. अगर आप
जी.
बिल्कुल ब्लैंक हैं और आप सिर्फ ये सोच रहे हैं कि बस ट्रेनर ही मुझे जो बताएंगे मैं वही करूंगा, तो शायद आपका रिजल्ट इतना अच्छा ना हो.
जी.
क्योंकि अभी आपने ये बात कही थी, तो उस पर क्या कहेंगे आप? ऐसा भी होता है
Well,
क्योंकि
I mean, I haven't observed it because I've never trained with a trainer, unfortunately. लेकिन जो मेरा तजुर्बा है by observation only
जी.
is I think trainers they aren't very effective communicators.
अच्छा.
They're not able to explain to a client, in my opinion, explain to a client that the first thing we will do is do your assessment to see what your strengths are, what your weaknesses are. Then we put down your goals. Then we'll track down how to make that happen. And during the course of that journey, to
राइट.
observe it and help you. So it's more like a person who works with you.
जी. जी.
You know, कि as a trainer मैं आपको suggest करूँगा कि this is the sort of workout, and to be observant to see how you are responding to the workout, to the exercise, to the diet, and then change it accordingly. uh, in defense of a lot of personal trainers, there's a lot of frustration from their side, and rightfully so, क्योंकि अक्सर लोग जाते हैं उनके पास, वो कहते हैं देखो मैंने और कुछ, मुझे मसल नहीं बनाने, मुझे सिर्फ अपना सिक्स पैक बनाना है, और ये मुझे बाजू जो है ना यहाँ पे थोड़े फैट है वो कम करना है. सो दिस spot reduction, इस तरह के questions are very frustrating to trainers because they know it's not possible, but people don't know that. You know,
Right.
women will come and say मुझे सिर्फ पेट, आप मुझसे ज्यादा वेट ना उठवाएं वरना मेरे बाजू जो है मैं फूल जाती हूँ, I get big, and that's not true.
That's the
You know,
right answer. Yeah,
yeah,
very true.
women need to realize, and it's not their fault, it's not the fault of the trainer, it's not the fault of the person, there's just a lack of knowledge. Okay, lifting weights alone doesn't make you bulky.
Yeah.
If you lift weights a certain way and eat a certain way, that's when you get bulky.
Right. Right.
Lifting weights is good for you. It makes your bones strong, it makes your joints strong, makes your body and mind strong, right?
Right.
So
All right.
so I think trainers need to understand that people are coming from a place of lack of knowledge, and they need to be a little more empathetic and help increase the knowledge of
Right.
their clients.
Right.
If the client has some unrealistic goals and is difficult, that's a different thing altogether.
Understood. Achha, now most important question that I'm going to ask. That
The
is
most
quarantine hai. Quarantine hai.
जी.
Everybody is just inside the houses, and you know.
Really?
So
लग तो नहीं रहा अगर आप कराची में रह रहे हो कि क्वारंटीन है, सब लोग
नहीं,
बाहर
एटलीस्ट वो लोग जो ख्याल रखने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं,
Sure.
चले हम अभी
वो
उनको
5
कंसीडर कर
लोग.
लेते हैं. एटलीस्ट मैं तो
Sure.
हूँ उसमें. तो मुझे ये बताएं कि आप पहले तो ये बताएं कि आप कैसे कर रहे हैं एक्सरसाइजेस, आप कैसे
ठीक
अपनी
है.
उस रूटीन को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, पहली
वो
बात.
मैं आपको बता
दूसरी
नहीं
बात,
सकता जी.
ऑलराइट, दूसरी बात कि लोग क्या करें इसमें. फॉर एग्जाम्पल मुझे चले बताएं, मुझे सजेशन दें. इफ आई डू वॉकिंग, इफ आई डू जॉगिंग, शुड आई कंटिन्यू इट? मैंने अभी 2 महीने से नहीं किया, तो क्या
वो
कहेंगे लोगों को,
2
कैसे?
महीने से क्यों?
2
खैरियत?
months yeah, मतलब I haven't been going because of corona. I don't know why, but now
क्या
I'm thinking about it.
जॉगिंग तो आप
Yeah.
जा सकते हो. जॉगिंग आप बाहर देखें, यू कैन गो आउटडोर्स एंड एक्सरसाइज. आजकल क्लिफ्टन डिफेंस में एक बड़ा फैड है, सब लोग साइकिल चला रहे हैं, व्हिच इज अ ग्रेट थिंग. साइकिलिंग इज ग्रेट क्योंकि फेज 8 में जगह है जहाँ पे ट्रैफिक कम है, तो साइकिलिंग इज अ ग्रेट ऑप्शन. जॉगिंग इज अ गुड ऑप्शन. वॉकिंग is, yeah, I mean, it's something. Walking is one of those exercises, it's better than nothing, but it is like rank it as the lowest form of exercise. In terms of what people can do, देखें sports की दुकानें खुली हैं. I would recommend people can go and buy some weights, even if they are, you know, basic dumbbells and resistance bands.
And they should do it at home.
Yeah, work out at home. That's what I do. I mean, घर पे आपने weights लिए हुए, and you limited होगा, but it's something is better than, you'll be surprised. मतलब limited equipment में शख्स क्या exercises कर सकता है.
Right.
You know,
Right.
if you want to.
अच्छा, एक बात और भी अभी फौरन दिमाग में आई. ऐसा होता है, देखिए, जब कोई फिटनेस ट्रेनर सामने आके बैठता है ना, तो ऑल ऑफ द क्वेश्चंस व्हिच आर क्वाइट पर्सनल वो भी दिमाग में आ जाते हैं, और वो सबकी क्योंकि आवाज बन जाते हैं. सर, ग्रीन टी जो लोग पीते हैं इतनी ज्यादा, और वो कहते हैं कि इट इज वेरी बेनिफिशियल फॉर हेल्थ, इज इट सो? क्या कहेंगे आप?
ऑफ कोर्स, या ग्रीन टी और एनी हॉट बेवरेज हाजमे के लिए अच्छा होता है. वैसे अगर आप कुछ गर्म पियो वो हाजमे के लिए अच्छा होता है, एंड ग्रीन टी स्पेशली उसमें प्रॉपर्टीज हैं that help detox the liver and clean your system out. So it is good. ऐसा नहीं है कि आप पूरे दिन में आप 1 gallon पियो, 1-2 कप पी लिया, that's fine. More importantly, drink lots of water.
Right.
पूरे दिन में लोगों को like at least have like 6-8 liters of water.
Right.
That flushes out your system.
What would you say about supplements? The people who take it, is it
Yeah.
beneficial, or they should be sticking towards only a natural diet that they are
Yeah,
taking?
I'm
What
glad
do
you
say?
asked that, क्योंकि इसमें भी misconception है. लोग कहते हैं कि अगर आप, बल्कि कुछ लोग कहते हैं कि प्रोटीन, वे प्रोटीन स्टेरॉइड्स हैं, ड्रग्स होते हैं, you know. So the first thing is कि देखें, this is again rooted in lack of knowledge. Supplements जो हैं, they are not harmful.
अच्छा.
You have scientific evidence to support that protein, whey protein especially, is not harmful at all. If anything, it's beneficial. Yes, अगर आप excess protein अपने system में ले रहे हो and not drinking enough water, that damages your kidneys.
अच्छा.
So to offset that, you need to be drinking lots of water. But
Right.
protein, amino acids, creatine, all of these are perfectly normal. They're healthy. They're beneficial, provided you take them in moderate doses. जो usually
Right.
dosage उसमें लिखी है, आप protein के 4 scoop ले दिन में if you're working out regularly heavy. Take 3
Right.
to 4 scoops. Take amino acid
Right.
जो jar पे लिखा होता है. Take 2 scoops. Creatine, take about 2 scoops depending on what your objectives are. Everyone takes performance. I mean, some people take advanced performance enhancement, but
Right.
you can
Right.
take supplements because your body needs them. No? When you are exercising or doing anything strenuous, you're depleting your body of minerals. So it's
Right.
okay to take these additional things.
If I ask you this question, how many
Yeah.
glasses of water do you drink? Because you've been drinking water since the time we
Yeah,
began.
I
So
don't
कितने
drink
पी लेते हैं आप?
glasses of, I don't know, I don't drink glasses of water. I just drink liters.
All right.
I just keep drinking. चलते फिरते, I'd never leave home without it. Just keep drinking water. I think
Right.
ज़्यादा बोलने से भी so और भी प्यास लगती है.
नहीं नहीं बिल्कुल ये पानी ज्यादा पीना चाहिए तभी मैंने आपसे कहा कि आप जब उसको बोलेंगे तो obviously it is very effective और
Keeps your
अच्छा
skin also fresh.
yeah to my surprise you are mashallah 41 in the beginning you
Yeah,
said
yeah,
sir
yeah, yeah.
yeah,
Alhamdulillah,
that's amazing.
Alhamdulillah. Yeah,
I
yeah.
was thinking you
Again,
might be
genes,
अच्छा
and I guess yeah, exercising regularly. Yeah, it's
ऑलराइट
a
अच्छा मैं
combination.
आपको ना एक बड़ी एक अजीब सा क्वेश्चन पूछने वाला हूँ और इट इज गोइंग टू बी अ लिटिल कंफ्यूजिंग I'm gonna put you in a quandary you know kind of a situation where you don't know what to
Nice.
select
I like
uh,
quandaries. Yeah.
yeah so uh, sir you have radio you have acting you have you're an educationist and you have this
Well,
training so what would
yeah.
you select if I say you can do only one thing at a point
I
at a
can't.
given point of
I
yeah
can't. I mean, for one thing, I'm not in education. I work with a very very noble NGO,
yeah
and unfortunately, I'm not trained to be a teacher. Otherwise, I would be doing that. But I'm fortunate to be a part of it. Khair, I can't do one thing. I get bored. I need to be doing multiple things, even if it's for a
all right
short while, and it's
right
never for any other reason except for the experience.
right
I was
right
fortunate, Alhamdulillah, I was fortunate enough to do radio. It was great fun. I loved it. I don't know about anybody else.
I'm sure
TV,
everybody must have
film,
yeah
theater. No, no, not really.
okay
TV, film, theater. Personal training. I love doing a little bit of everything. I can't do just one thing.
right
That would be my death.
Right. Faris, anything you would like to say that you want to say that I haven't asked yet, or what would you like
Let me
to
check my
share, or you,
notes.
all right, or
No,
anything
really,
you would like to say at last to the people out there?
well, just the fact that in this day and age, it is very easy to educate yourself about the importance of fitness at
Right.
any age, any gender, right? You could be 14 years old, you could be 50 years old, you could be male, female, it doesn't matter. Don't think it's too late to try and do something about fixing your lifestyle. Start eating healthier,
Right.
start being more active, start telling yourself मुझे कम बैठना चाहिए. Don't spend so much time sitting and watching Netflix for 4 hours. Get
Yeah.
up and move around, exercise at home, do push-ups, go out for a walk. Because you see, the benefits of exercise is not just physical, it's mental and
It's
emotional.
mental. Yeah. Yeah.
You know, when you finish a workout, you get these endorphins in your system and adrenaline that make you feel good. Like
Yeah.
literally, there are times after a workout, I felt like calling somebody जिसके साथ मेरा पड्डा हुआ है and apologizing because I'm intoxicated by this good feeling.
Yeah. That positivity that has been
Yeah, that
created into you.
positivity,
Yeah.
and it's a wonderful place to be in, you know. So, and do it because you know with time your body will grow tired.
Right.
So you
Right.
have to slow down that process.
Right.
You have to say, when I'm 80 years old, I will still be active. There's so many people, and खासतौर जो गांव में रहते हैं, why are those people, why are their lifespans longer and why are they healthier? Because they're physically active people. You know,
Right.
so be active. Throw your kids out. Tell them कि यार iPad पे 1 घंटा खेलो and go outside and play a sport. You know,
बिल्कुल.
go run around, chase a car, do something constructive.
Right.
You know,
Right.
these things are that change of lifestyle, because you
Right.
want to feel happy. That is the most important. You want to feel healthy, you know,
Right.
inside.
Right.
So my
आखिर में
suggestion is to everyone, yeah, just make that decision, make that promise to yourself, you know, and don't think it's too late, you know.
ऑलराइट, लास्ट में मैं भी यही कहूँगा कि, और बिल्कुल आपने सही कहा कि चेंज योर लाइफस्टाइल, और
Yeah,
बल्कि लोगों से ये कहूँगा जो सुन रहे हैं कि आप लोग और मैं इंक्लूडिंग मी, हम सब बस ये देख रहे होते हैं कि सामने वाला क्या कर रहा है, कैसा
जी,
लग रहा है। हम बड़े
yeah,
कंसर्न होते हैं कि वो क्या क्या
yes,
कर रहा है, वो ऐसे
yeah,
क्यों नहीं कर रहा है, वो वैसे क्यों
yeah,
नहीं कर रहा। तो
yeah,
इट्स टाइम
yeah,
कि आप अपने आप को भी देखें, हम सब अपने आप को भी देखें, और अपने अंदर एक
हाँ,
पॉजिटिव तब्दीली लेके आए। गो
जी,
आउट, डू, ट्राई टू लुक गुड। आप अपनी आप को जो है, और दूसरों को इंस्पायर करने के लिए, इम्प्रेस करने के लिए आप अपनी पर्सनैलिटी पे काम नहीं कर रहे होते। आपको खुद से भी इतना लगाव, इतना प्यार होना चाहिए
जी,
कि
नहीं
आप
आपने
जब शीशे में
सॉरी,
देखें तो अच्छे लगें। या
या सॉरी मैं आपकी बात काट रहा हूँ, लेकिन आपने बड़ी अच्छी बात की है कि खासतौर ये जिम्स में होता है, लड़कों के साथ एटलीस्ट। एक लड़का दूसरे लड़के को देखे और कह रहे यार उसका, उसके शोल्डर्स इतने चौड़े, मुझे भी इस तरह होना चाहिए। जस्ट बी द बेस्ट वर्जन ऑफ योरसेल्फ.
या
You can't be a guy who's 5'8" cannot be the same shape and size as a guy who's 6'4". It's not going
जी,
to happen. It's not possible. So be realistic with your goals.
राइट,
दूसरी एक और चीज मैं कहना चाहूंगा, there are some doctors that discourage working out when you go to them with an injury. I've personally had that. I've been
राइट,
to a chiropractor. I've been to another surgeon for my knee. I never got surgery. I just
राइट,
had him check it. A lot of doctors, medical professionals will tell you, they will think that exercise is detrimental क्योंकि आपकी
अच्छा,
थोड़ी बहुत इंजरी होती रहती है. Your lower back gets put out, your knees get a
ट्रू,
little
वेरी ट्रू, या
worn out. It's fine. It's part of the game. You can still go on. But don't be discouraged by these things. Don't think immediately कि इंजरी हो गई, किसने कहा कि एक्सरसाइज नहीं, एक्सरसाइज कभी भी नहीं छोड़ो. Yes, unless you've broken something. But you
राइट,
can always rehabilitate and make your body stronger.
राइट, राइट।
Yeah.
टेकन सर, फारिस साहब, इट वाज अ प्लेजर टॉकिंग टू यू।
Yeah,
बहुत
thank you,
अच्छा लगा है
Asan.
आपसे बात करके,
Likewise,
बहुत
thank you.
सीखने को मिला, और
I hope so.
वी रियली विश यू द बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर योर
Thank you.
फ्यूचर, फॉर एनी प्रोजेक्ट दैट यू हैव
Same
अहेड।
to you.
थैंक यू
Thank
सो
you.
मच सर, थैंक
Thank
यू,
you, Asan.
टेक
All the
केयर,
best.
अल्लाह
Take care.
हाफिज।